Hi, my name is Timothy Meeks. This is my screencast for the website I designed for this class. The name of my website is Tim's History Class. This is because I'm a big history buff. I love to learn all about history, both things that I already know about, things I don't know anything about. I just love reading about history. So this website is a good tool for my class. There will be resources for them to learn more, ways to contact me, and just know what's going on in my class throughout the year. So, biography page is all about me. I'm a LSU student, junior in elementary education, and this just shows why I chose this particular career path, what I plan to do after I graduate, and what I like to do in my free time as well. Some resources are on here for my class, dealing all about history. There's a couple on there about museums, the World War II Museum in New Orleans and the National Museum of American History, and just along with other fun studying websites for students to use to learn more about history. Under my choice page, there's a few YouTube videos about historical events, including the first person on the moon and learning about Native Americans, as well as a link here for teachers for different history lessons they can incorporate into their classroom. For tech projects, I have my digital story that I made about Alexander Hamilton. I'm a big fan of Alexander Hamilton. I've read his biography that was written about him. I've seen the musical that came out a couple years ago about his life, and I just think his life is very fascinating and more people should know about it. So I did my digital story on him. I have the PLE and PLN page with the definitions for both of them and the assignments we did with blogs, curation tools, microblogs, and the 3 reflections I did on each of those. I have my mobile app presentation that I did on the app called Nearpod, which is a good app for teachers and students where teachers can make presentations and lessons that are interactive for students and they can collaborate with and contribute to and just make learning easier for everyone and more interactive. Evaluations, I've got a copy of my Apple Teacher Certificate on here that I finished. And then down at the bottom, I've got it's a contact, brings up and contact me in my LSU email, as well as my tech blog. Get it, go. So my tech blog that I made for this classroom, a little about me, some technology for teachers they can use in their classroom. And that is my website. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it educational and interesting and fun. And thank you.